our environment. It is our responsibility. We believe progress and sustainability must grow together. We proudly support the clean energy revolution, driving innovation that respects the planet. Accurate Powertech India Pvt Ltd, powering progress, preserving nature. Together, let's build a sustainable future, powering the world with electrical solutions for industrial, commercial, and residential. Established in 1999, Accurate Group of Industries has grown into a trusted name across India, powering progress through innovation, reliability, and service excellence. With strong leadership and a committed team, Accurate operates across 4 major business segments. We are India's most trusted name in Kirloskar gensets, offering a wide range of energy-efficient, low-maintenance gensets ranging from 2.8 kV amperes to 2000 kV amperes. Our state-of-the-art India's first genset showroom reflects our commitment to excellence. As India's leading Kirloskar genset dealer, we offer unmatched choice, service and support. Accurate Group is ISO 9001:2015 certified. We believe in 100% customer satisfaction, serving over 27,000 happy customers nationwide. Our powerful Oracle-based CRM system ensures timely delivery, real-time service updates, and seamless warranty tracking. All installations are handled by Kirloskar trained technicians, guaranteeing professional commissioning and long-term performance of every genset. With over 25 years of experience, we are the leaders in rental power solutions. Based in Pune and serving across India, our fleet ranges from 5 kVA to 2000 kVA, fully compliant with CPCB norms and equipped for every industry need. With a vast rental fleet and one of the widest networks across India, Accurate provides quick deployment and servicing of DG sets for construction, infrastructure, hospitals, IT park, commercial buildings, hotels, and more. Mobile Light Tower (MLT) is designed for use in tough and remote environments, making it ideal for construction sites, mining operations, and rental companies. Our electrical control panel manufacturing unit in Bosri, we design and produce high-quality electrical control panels, including manual panels, auto load sharing, auto changeover switches, and synchronization panels. Built with precision, quality materials, and compliance, we are one of the leading manufacturers and wholesalers of power distribution panels in India. Every panel is built using premium materials, tested for safety, and designed for peak efficiency. Under Accurate Solar Power, we design and install custom solar energy systems for residential, commercial, and industrial clients. Our expert team handles everything, from design to installation to long-term maintenance, ensuring maximum efficiency and reliability. Our solar division stands for sustainability and smart energy. From rooftop setups to industrial solar systems, we bring clean power to life, supported by our AMC services that include inspection, cleaning, performance monitoring, and technical support. Our commitment to excellence has earned us multiple recognitions, including the Best National Dealer Award and more, a testament to the hard work of our people and the trust of our clients.
Myself, Mahindra Yadav, founder of Accurate Powertech India Pvt Ltd. We are now working in 4 verticals. One is Kirloskar DG sets, and we are the #1 dealer in India. We have served more than 30,000 customers till date. We have another vertical, it's DG set rental power solution. Ranges from 5 kVA to 2000 kVA. We are selling from across the India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Third vertical is I'm very keen to contribute towards green power and reducing carbon footprint through our solar vertical. We are majorly in EPC, and we are also largest player in EPC in India. Fourth vertical is control panel manufacturing. We are manufacturing EPFC panels, distribution panels, LT panels, ST panels. So we are expanding now in India and we are very soon globally. So we are not only the manufacturer or trading company, we will be the power solution provider company in coming times. Thank you so much.
Accurate group of companies, powering the world with solutions. From power to progress, your trusted partner since 1999.